How to report a map issue in Uber application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also found some kind of box or error in your maps being shown on your Uber application, so you can easily report them to the Uber team. So first thing what you want to do is just open up your Uber application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. Now simply tap on this account section from the bottom right corner and just select this help option at the top of your navigation. And once you're inside here, you can see at the top below there is an option that is map issue. So simply select it and you can just tap on this report a problem in Uber map. So once you select that option, so to report a map issue, you can basically go to the map problem reporting tool. So once you click on this link, you will be redirected to your browser where you'll simply have to log in with your login credentials of the Uber application itself. And once you do that, you just have to select the issue type and just use the pin to mark the location of the issue. Select the confirm location. You can also add notes to help them understand the issue. And although it is highly recommended and optional, you can also attach the photos and just choose submit. So after you submit your report, your team will review the ticket and update the maps according to their findings. So your support team won't be able to provide the status updates on the reported issue. So to check the status of your ticket, you can always go to the map problem reporting tool as well and select the view your contribution. From there you can easily view your status of your ticket, that is the issue being raised currently for the map on Uber application. So that's how we do it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.